Hey everybody, it's your Snow Hector here once again, and roller training. Well, not really, but I gotta watch out for this. Will the camera get right? I don't know, probably. Did I? No, I don't think so. Anyhow, we're on a mission. Oh, hey, the door shut. Well, my car is currently out of service because of the little happy accident we had. But that's not too worrying. Oh, I hear some noise over there. Anyhow, my dad managed to get stuck last night at the end of the driveway. Let's see, yeah, down there. Friggin' went to go plow it. His truck got sideways, and we realized the mistake he made. He should have just came straight down here to give himself some room to plow himself out, but he didn't. So, see it a little bit better. Yeah. Fortunately. My gosh, you're locked, aren't you? Neat. I'm gonna need that. Then I'm gonna clear off the passenger door. Get her started. Hopefully she starts, and holy cow. Did I say passenger? I mean driver's side. Which one do I go for? Either way, it's gonna need it. So I guess it really doesn't matter. Set you guys down here. Looks pretty good. And let's begin. Brush, do all this. You need a shovel. I just want to get to the bottom of the door. So, not much to worry about. Pretty sure I'm already clear. Then my dad is going to be home later to give it another plow. So I shouldn't have it. Now the question is it going to start? It's ridiculous. So it basically started. Make sure the exhaust. Good to go. I'm gonna have to back it up over here. You know, hopefully. Ridiculous. Just look at all this snow. got it pretty decent. Over here is alright. Just want this thing to warm up, really. You want a gift? Yeah, do I. Kidding me? Oh man, I'm freezing. Oh. Okay, well, I don't know. It did start. So luckily, I don't have to worry about jumping it because that'd be a pain in the butt. Just gonna let it run a bit more. It's already melting on the windshield, that's good. It's in the sun too, plus it's getting warmer in there. That's good. Doesn't even look anyways. You can't even see anything on this phone. Oh, there it is. Oh. So, the channel update I've been hiding for a while, which I don't want to fall again, okay? Bad. Don't melt already. But basically, I'm going to be probably looking at a truck. I don't know if it's going to be any good. I got to look at it, make sure the frame's not all rotted out. But if it isn't, I might get it, that I can throw a cap on it. Instead of camping in the PT Cruiser, we'd be camping in a Silverado, I think to 3,500. So eventually, if I really wanted to, I could put a camper on the back of it, but I think for now I'm just going to go with the route with the cap. But even still, even if I don't, I'm still going to just get a cap or something, and then if I don't, like I'm saying, I'm just going to sleep on the inside. Because I've laid across the bench before. There's plenty of room for me to sleep. I just got to travel lightly, and kind of hoping by the time we get things really rolling, it's going to be late February, early March. Oh, somebody's flying. We're doing something, but somebody said I should make content, so here I am. I don't want to disappear again. I'm not going to disappear. We are going to do this. Car started. Warmed up. I don't know what this is. 2008? No, I think it's 2009, 2010. Ford Crown Victoria 4.6 liter V8. I mean, I know my PT Cruiser would start up, but if I leave it sitting for any longer, it probably won't. Then, let me grab you guys so you can actually see what I'm looking at. That beauty over there, I forget what it is, but that thing is awesome. But basically, this is where we plowed. We're here still a little rough because the snow drifts moved and everything. You can see that big snow pile on the end there. Yeah, we got stuck up there. Silverado got buried against the sign over there. Let's see if I can. It's kind of icy. Put some salt down before. Oh, what do you know? It's an Eversource truck. Ain't that something? where that sign is right there is where we got stuck. Oh, it's Alphasaurus. Oh, what do you know? Not sure if it's a lineman who lives there or if he was just doing work there, but that's cool, because I'm pretty sure they bring the trucks back to the yards. I think he was on a job. There he goes. Scenic route. Beautiful. Oh, it's a Yanmar? Yeah, Yanmar. Interesting, that little thing. He said he was having trouble with the batteries. Oh, it looks like he was doing an underground job, possibly. I don't know. Anyhow, hopefully you guys all like this, and I can continue to keep you entertained, and you guys support me with your viewership and whatnot. By the way, the barn's still standing somehow. But it's probably going to go in another year or two, at least. Yay, we have a car. Yeah, that's long enough for me. Let's kill the motor. Then we'll kill this. Alrighty, guys and girls. I hope you have a good day, and I'll probably try to do another upload when we work in the car, if not sooner. Not entirely sure what I'm even going to upload, to be honest, because we're not into the whole camping thing yet, because we're kind of delayed on that part, unfortunately. But we are going to get there. I am going to go do one in public somewhere. I was thinking about doing it with the snow, but with what happened, obviously, that kind of put a fork in my plan. Anyhow, I hope you all stay good, and oh, I just took a picture, didn't I? On that note, peace. I don't know. See ya.